Hey everybody, so it's officially fall, which is good. That means there's, it's not hot as Hades anymore. So yeah, so if you see the title of the video, you'll see what we got going on today. We are messing around with the Civic today, or just kind of going over it. I've been really bad about filming what I'm actually doing to the Civic, but I hope you guys will forgive me because I'm going to explain everything. It's just, I do these things like kind of in a hurry before I do something else, like, hey, let me throw the hood on real quick before we have to go get dinner or something like that. Just, I'm sure my wife loves that. But anyways, so here's the car. Turn the camera around. So yeah, so Kevmanz duckbill spoiler installed. I cleaned it up, looks pretty good. And here's what everybody really wants to see. Dun dun dun. Kevmanz carbon fiber hood for the 9th gen coupe. This is the Mod X version. I don't really know if there's a difference between too many. So what's kind of messed up is, first I'm going to tell you why I bought this one. So there was just a regular one that didn't have the vents on it or anything. I was like, that's kind of bland. And then they had some that had 2 vents, but not this middle piece. So I was like, I don't know. So I found this one, and then of course right after I bought this one, I found the one that has the actual honeycomb carbon in it, and it looks so much better. But here we are with this one. We're going to stay with this one. So yeah, so I'm going to pop the hood real quick, and then I'll show you what we had to do to actually get the old hood off and install the new one. It's pretty simple. Okay, so here we are underneath the car, and one downside I just found out is the hood retains water very badly. So I just washed the car, obviously, and like when I first lifted it up, I mean, it just dumped a ton of water out of the front of the 2 vents on the side, which, it is what it is. So anyways, it was very easy to install. So obviously this is your actual hood mount, so you just take off this bolt, and then the 2 on the other side. Take the old hood off. You definitely need someone else to do this with you, because it kind of helps to actually have the hood down at an angle when you go to take it completely off. So then I got lucky. I did read some things where a few people had bought this same hood, and they had some fitment issues with the hood clearing the side. I didn't have that issue. What I did have was I had to adjust the hood latch. So you can see there is 2 nuts on both sides of this bolt right here. So basically what you can do is you just take this out, and then you can adjust it for length. You can make it longer or shorter, whatever you needed. Mine needed to be much shorter for the hood to actually close and be square, or be flush. I'll show you what it looks like, or what it sounds like rather. See, there is a little bit of room, but the first time we did that, it was like there was a lot of play with it. This is not going to come up, but what it was before, it would have came up. So yeah, the hood itself is great. I will say though, if you want a carbon fiber hood, I don't know how much it would cost to wrap one, but unless you want it for performance, I probably would go a cheaper route, because this was, I want to say $1,000 plus shipping, so this was like $1,200 bucks. And then the spoiler was $450 plus shipping. So like all together I spent $1,700 shipping all on both of them. It's not bad for real carbon fiber. And this is handmade, so I mean I understand why it's so expensive. But in the future, if I was recommending this to somebody that wanted to do like just for looks, probably would just tell someone to wrap it. However, you can't get these cool vents, so I don't know. But yeah, so what I really want to know, what do you guys think about it? I think it looks pretty great. I don't know what's next. So I have the suspension. I have the TrueHeart subframe. I have the TrueHeart coilovers. I know we said we're going to go BC, but I actually had there's a beautiful Camaro going by right now. Wow. I don't really like Camaros, but that one is gorgeous. You can probably hear it, but yeah. So got the TrueHeart coilovers. We also got the TrueHeart rear camber arms. That is the next thing that's going down on this, and then I'm not sure which way I want to go next. So I'm thinking wheels. I'm thinking wheels has got to be the next thing, but the thing is, once I do the suspension, got to get an alignment right after that. So today is September, it's either the 24th or the 25th. Honda's on the Dragon is October 8th or 9th. I don't know. It's both days or one day. But anyways, I've got to be there. I got to go. I love Honda Street Garage. I love that dude. He's so awesome. And he's part of the people that helped put this together. He works with Jordan Distributors. So I definitely want to go there so I can meet him, and then on top of that, there's going to be some really cool Hondas there. So yeah, so definitely want to go check that out. I will be there. The Honda will be there, obviously. We will be there at least for the car meet on Saturday. I don't know if I'll be there Sunday, but I know I'll be there Saturday. So if you see me, just say hi. I'd love to talk with some of you. I will be shooting some film there. I'll be talking to a lot of people. So yeah, just keep in mind, I think they said like you have to go in a certain way. So if you are going there, just make sure you look up which way you want to go in, because you don't want to go in the wrong way and get stuck or something like that. But yeah, guys, final thoughts, just let me know what you guys think about the car. Do you think I should have went with something different? Do you think that I need to turbo it, which I know everybody seems to be commenting on the Facebook post, that's what they want me to do, but I really just want to stick with just the show car build for now. And I know it's far from being done, but I'm really excited. It's actually finally, to me, starting to piece together the way I want it to. So yeah. But yeah, I will see everyone in the next one, and I will see a bunch of you at Hondas on the Dragon.